Hi, welcome to Sniper Trades. In this video I am going to explain how to create a scanner for this strategy, that is triple EMA strategy. So for those who haven't yet watched this video, please go to the description section. I will be providing the link to this video. See this first to know how this strategy actually works. This is a good strategy which provides good risk to reward ratio in both positional as well as intraday trading. So watch this first and then see this. So you need to know how the lines work, that is three EMAs. So watch this first, and for those who have already watched this, they may be doubting that how to identify the stocks which perform according to this strategy. So I have a solution. We are now creating a scan, both bullish and bearish. For that, first go to Google and type charting.com. click here. So to work with this site, we need to have an account in this site. For that, click here, login, register. Those who have no account, please click register now and create an account. I already have an account, so I am just clicking login. For those who have no idea about the basic strategy, I'll be just explaining the basics now. Please hear carefully. We are using 3 exponential moving averages, that is 9, 21 and 55 period exponential moving average. The green line is 9 period exponential moving average, yellow line is 21 period exponential moving average, and the red line is 55 period exponential moving average. So to create scan, first go to this screener section and click create scan. At first we are going to create a bullish scan for long positions. Click the plus symbol here and select EMA. Locate the EMA. Here it is. Click here and just type here 9 and then click operation crossed above, and again next condition, again select EMA. At this place give 21 and again click here and give EMA. Now this time at this place we are going to give 21, and now we are going to give the operation which is greater than, give again EMA. At this period give 55. So what this means is, at this place first row, it means that the 9 period exponential moving average crosses above 21 period exponential moving average, and at this second row it means that the 21 period exponential moving average already greater than 55 period exponential moving average. Okay, now we are going to give another condition. Click here, close. The operation is greater than equal to number. At the number section give 200. What this means is the latest close, that is the price of the stock greater than 200. We only need the stocks which are priced above 200 rupees. So we are avoiding the less price stocks. Just click run scan. So we got 3 stocks here. So let's go to the chart and see how it works. So one more thing here, see that it is saying that latest. At all places it is stated latest, which means that it is the scan is performed in daily time frame. So first go to Upstox. We are going to see how the stock is performing in chart. So the net is slow, it is still loading. Just pause a bit and subscribe to our channel for getting more videos about trading. So here we go. Just go to daily time frame, because we have created the scan in daily time frame for positional trades. So see, I'm just giving an quick introduction about the previous video. So the 55 period exponential moving average, that is the red line, and the yellow line, which is 21 period exponential moving average, and the green line is 9 period exponential moving average. So the yellow line is already above red line, which means that the long time trend is already in uptrend. And see here, the green line has crossed below this yellow line, which means that the uptrend has turned into a bearish trend here, and then again the trend has reversed into a bullish trend, because the green line has crossed above this yellow line, which means that the long time trend is already in bullish direction and the short time trend has returned back to uptrend, which means that the stock is going to go further upwards also. That is what we expect. So this is how we create the bullish scan. So we can also backtest this strategy. For that, first click save. It's a bullish scan. Click submit. So the scanner is saved. Then click backtest result. So this is the backtest history. Let's see how this scanner worked in the previous days. So we got 5th August result. So we should check the stock. Go to daily time frame. So the scanner gave the result in 5th August, that is this candle. Here we can see the long term trend is already in uptrend and the short term trend has returned back to uptrend here. So after that, see how the price has performed. It has further gone upward. And what is our stop loss? Our stop loss will be recent low, that is around this region. So our entry is here and the stop loss is here. See how the risk is to reward ratio, it is more than a better strategy. So okay, this stock is checked. Next is Avanti Feed. Let's check it also too. Always remember the time frame in which we created the scan. It is daily time frame, so go to daily time frame in chart also. So at 5th August, that is this candle, at this day it give a bullish scan. So after that, see, the price has moved significantly upward. It is still expected to move upward. That is positional trade. Okay, let's check the other stocks on the tube. Let's go to daily time frame. Okay, I think the net is having some problem. Okay, at this place, at this day, 5th August, it gave a bullish scan, and see how the price performed. It has traveled way upward, and it gave good risk to reward ratio. That is how we create scan for bullish trade. So let's create bearish also. Let's go to create scan. Just press here plus, click EMA, crossed below, click again EMA. So at this first period we are going to select 9 again, and this second area click type 21, click again the plus symbol, select EMA. The operation is less than. Again EMA here, select here 21 and here 55, and again as usual select close. Operation is greater than or equal to number, and give the number 200, which means that the first row, which means that the 9 period exponential moving average just crossed below the 21 period exponential moving average, and the second row means that the 21 period exponential moving average already less than 55 period exponential moving average, and we are screening the stocks which are priced above 200 only, and press run scan. So we got this stock here. Let's check the chart. So see here, this is expected to move further downwards because the long time and short time trend is in downward direction, because the red line, the yellow line has crossed below this red line, and also the green line has crossed below the yellow line, which means that the long time and short time trend is in bearish direction. So the price is expected to move further downwards also, but this setup is not that much perfect because the stop loss is very big. See, it is not apt. So that is how we create scanners For this is the strategy, the scanner for positional trades, that is we use latest here all. For trading in intraday we use lower time frame, right? So for viewing the saved scanners, click dashboard and click any of the strategies we have saved. I'm clicking here bullish. So to change this into intraday strategy, just click the latest here and select any of the time frame. I'm selecting here 5 minute here. Likewise change here also. The outer time frame is to be changed. The inner one, that is, see here, the inner time frame, this latest will be automatically changed when we change the outer time frame. Just click 5 minute here and the inner time frame will automatically be changed. So here also change it to 5 minute and click scan. Now we got the stocks to trade with the same strategy in lower time frame. So we must consider these stocks for short time trade only. Within the time period of market closing we have to end it. So let's go to any of this. Titan, okay. Let it load. It is taking longer time as my net is a bit slow. If you have a new viewer, please subscribe to our channel, and if you click here you can see the Telegram channel we are having. I'll be providing the link to the Telegram channel in the description section also. Just click it and join, where we will be posting indices and stocks levels daily. The levels will be valid up to market closing, and at the evening time around 6 PM to 11 PM we'll be updating crude and gold levels. They will be hourly levels. So just join in our Telegram channel and also subscribe now. So we have scanned in 5 minutes, right? So the chart must be also 5 minutes. So we can see it scanned this stock Titan, and the long time and short time trend is now in bullish direction. As we can see, the yellow line has crossed above the red line, as well as the green line has crossed above the yellow line, which means that the stock is very bullish now, and it is expected to move further upwards also. We can see the big red candle here, big green candle here. Okay, that is how we create scanners. For those who are lazy, they don't want to create this scan, I'll be providing the link to this scanners in the description section also. So if you have any error in fetching these links, please WhatsApp me in this number. I'll be sending the link there also. So thank you, have a nice day, please subscribe.